Stop scrolling for a second and listen. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. In 2025, it's your biggest money-making opportunity. While most people are still trying to figure out how to use AI, some are already turning it into a steady side income. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer or a tech genius. Today, I'm sharing 5 practical AI side hustles that can help you earn $500 or more per month. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are real proven ideas that people are using right now with the help of AI to make extra cash. Hustle number 1, AI art and digital products. AI-generated art is one of the most exciting ways to make money online right now. You can use tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Leonardo AI to create stunning images, then sell them as prints, digital wallpapers, or design elements. Artists on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Redbubble are selling AI-generated art, posters, and clip art for anywhere between $5 and $50 per item. Imagine you create a set of 20 unique fantasy landscapes or watercolor-style pet portraits. You upload them to Etsy as digital downloads. Customers can buy the files instantly, no shipping, no inventory. Once you've created and listed the art, your work is basically done, but the sales can keep coming in for months or years. Pro tip: use AI to generate your images, then lightly edit them in Photoshop or Canva to make them more polished and unique. This small step can help you stand out in a competitive market. Example: a beginner seller named Alex started posting AI-generated printable wall art on Etsy last year. By focusing on trending themes like minimalist home decor, Alex built a portfolio of 50 products and now makes about $600 to $1,000 per month in passive income. Hustle number 2, AI-powered content writing. The demand for content, blog posts, newsletters, social media captions is never ending. But writing all that content is time-consuming, which is where AI steps in. You can use ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to generate drafts for articles, product descriptions, or even ebooks. Then, you just refine the text to add your personal touch and make it sound human. Freelancers on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are charging between $20 and $150 per blog post, depending on the length and topic. AI allows you to produce quality drafts faster, meaning you can take on more clients or spend less time per project. Pro tip: specialize. Instead of being a generalist writer, niche down. For example, focus on writing for fitness blogs, tech startups, or local businesses. AI makes it easy to scale within that niche because you can train it with prompts specific to your area of focus. Example: a part-time writer named Maya used ChatGPT to cut her writing time in half. She now manages 5 recurring clients and earns an extra $800 per month, all while keeping her evenings free. Hustle number 3, social media management with AI. Small businesses know they need to post regularly on social media, but many can't afford a full-time social media manager. That's your opportunity. AI tools like ChatGPT, Lately.ai, and Buffer's AI assistant can brainstorm post ideas, draft captions, and even schedule them. You can offer a simple package like 15 posts per month for Instagram and Facebook for $300 to $500 per client. You don't need to be a marketing expert. With the right AI prompts, you can generate content calendars and branded posts in minutes. Pro tip: pair ChatGPT with tools like Canva for quick graphics and Metricool or Buffer for automated scheduling. This lets you handle multiple clients without working full-time. Example: Jordan, a college student, started helping 2 local coffee shops with their social media by using AI to generate content and captions. In less than 3 months, he was managing 5 small businesses and now makes around $1,200 per month, working just a few hours per week. Hustle number 4, custom chatbot building. As more businesses adopt AI, there's a growing demand for customized AI chatbots for customer service, lead generation, or even personalized recommendations. With platforms like CustomGPT.ai, Tidio, and ManyChat, you don't need coding skills. You simply train the chatbot on a company's FAQs, product guides, or website content. Small businesses will gladly pay $200 to $1,000 for a one-time setup, plus a monthly fee for maintenance. If you land just 5 to 10 clients, this can become a serious side hustle. Pro tip: start by targeting small businesses like local restaurants or e-commerce stores that don't have automated customer support yet. Offer them a simple package. Set up a custom AI chatbot to answer common customer questions 24/7. Example: Priya, a freelance designer, learned how to use CustomGPT.ai in a weekend. She set up a chatbot for a local florist to answer common delivery questions. That one project led to referrals, and now she makes about $2,000 a month from chatbot setups and support. Hustle number 5, AI video creation and editing. Video is the king of content online, and many creators and businesses need help producing it. With AI-powered tools like Pictory, Descript, and Runway, you can create explainer videos, reels, or ads quickly without needing expensive equipment or editing skills. You could offer packages like 10 short-form videos per month for TikTok and Instagram for $400 to $600 per client. AI speeds up editing, script writing, and even voiceover production. Pro tip: focus on short-form videos under 60 seconds. These are in high demand for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. AI tools can automatically generate captions, cut clips, and even create stock footage to fill in gaps. Example: Ethan started using Pictory to turn blog posts into short explainer videos for small businesses. Within 6 months, he was managing video content for 3 clients and earning around $1,500 per month on the side. Reality check. Let's be clear. AI won't make you rich overnight. That's one of the biggest misconceptions people have when they hear about AI side hustles. There's still real work involved. To succeed, you have to invest time upfront in understanding the tools, figuring out which ones fit your goals, and learning how to use them effectively. You'll need to experiment with your offers, adjust your approach when something doesn't work, and put in the effort to land those first few customers. In many ways, that early stage of trial and error is where most people give up, but it's also where you build the foundation for long-term success. The real advantage of AI isn't that it magically earns you money, it's that it dramatically speeds up the work you would have to do anyway. Tasks that used to take hours, like drafting emails, researching markets, creating content, or designing simple graphics, can now be done in minutes. This shift means you can test more ideas in less time, respond faster to opportunities, and focus on the parts of your side hustle that really matter, such as building relationships with clients and improving your services. By using AI to cut down the time spent on routine work, you can move from the learning stage to the earning stage much more quickly. You can start small, maybe offering a single service or product, and then reinvest your time and energy into scaling up. This is what makes reaching your first $500 a month far more realistic compared to traditional side hustles that often require longer startup periods and heavier upfront investments. Over time, as you refine your process and gain experience, you can grow your income further, but it all starts with putting in the initial work and using AI as a tool to accelerate your progress, not as a shortcut that replaces effort. So there you have it: AI art and digital products, AI-powered content writing, social media management with AI custom chatbot building, AI video creation and editing. These aren't futuristic concepts. They're opportunities you can start exploring today. With a few weekends of learning and a bit of persistence, you could be running your own AI-powered side hustle by the end of the month. Which of these hustles excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical AI money-making ideas, and check out the links in the description for my favorite tools to get started. It's 2025. Don't just watch the AI revolution happen, be part of it.